In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule or delay emails in Microsoft Outlook. If you've ever wanted to write messages when it's convenient for you, but have them arrive at a time that's better for your recipient, this is exactly what you need. It's perfect for working across time zones, planning ahead for busy days, or making sure a message lands first thing in someone's morning. Start by composing an email just like you normally would. Open a new message, add your recipient, write a clear subject line, and draft your message. If you're attaching files, add them now so everything's ready to go. Normally you'd click send at this point, but for scheduling we'll take a slightly different route. Look for the small drop-down arrow right next to the send button. Click that and choose schedule send. You'll see options that make timing easy. Outlook even includes handy presets like tomorrow morning, which is great if you're finishing late at night and want the email to arrive when your recipient is starting their day. If you want more precise control, pick a custom date and time using the calendar and time selectors. This lets you choose the exact moment the email should be delivered. Think about when your recipient is most likely to see it, during their working hours, and ideally not when their inbox is flooded. This small adjustment can make a big difference in getting a timely response. Once you've set the schedule, click send. Instead of going out immediately, your email will wait safely in your drafts folder until the scheduled time. The best part is you can still make changes while it's waiting. If you spot a typo, want to refine your message, or need to update an attachment, just open the draft, make your edits, and you're all set. The message will hold its schedule so you don't have to redo anything. When the scheduled time arrives, Outlook sends the email automatically. You can continue working on other tasks, shut your laptop, or step away, confident that your message will go out exactly when you planned. And that's it. Scheduling emails in Outlook is a simple, reliable way to stay organized and manage your communication like a pro. Before you schedule, take a moment to double-check recipients, subject, and attachments, and think through the timing that best serves your message. Give it a try on your next email, and take control of exactly when your message hits the inbox.